Hello everyone, I'm Ajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel Skilldouble. So today in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to create a pivot table, and then in the pivot table we will add a slicer which will help you to get data for a particular dates, that is for a particular interval you can get the data in pivot table. So how to do that we will see through. So for doing that, I have a sample data here, a very simple data, which shows in A column the salesperson's name. On B column, it shows the sales that they have done. Is the number of sales that they have done, and the C column shows region, and D column shows the date on which they have done the sales. All right, and the dates are for different months. All right. Now, what we will do is we will select the entire table. You will click on insert, and then you will click on pivot table and click on OK. So once you do that, you will see that it will allow you to create a pivot table here on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can select the uh, columns that you need, on columns or rows, whatever you need on the pivot table. So for now, I'm going to create a very simple pivot table which will show on salesperson name in one of the column here, and I will name it as salesperson, and then I will add the sales numbers in the values field. So it shows the sum of sales. I will just call it as sales. All right. So the one column shows salesperson, and there's the another column shows sales number. Now I want to see a slicer here which will help me to select the dates for which I need to see the data for each of the salesperson. Right. So for that, what I will do is I will click on pivot table analyze, right, and then click on insert timeline, and then it will ask me whether you want this timeline based on the date column. So yes, I want that. So I will do the checkbox here and then click on OK. So once I do that, you will see I got a slicer, a date, kind of a date slicer, but it's called as timeline. Okay, so from we have data here. So we have data here from Jan, Feb, March, and April. So we will need to select only those time periods. So let's assume if I'm just want to check for a month. So Jan month, you will see this is the uh, salesperson name who have done sales in the month of Jan. There are 5 of them who have done sales. What about in Feb? So I can see in Feb month, these are the salesperson who have done the sales, and these are their number. What about March? Is March, you have these many salesperson, and these are their numbers. Same thing, if you click on April, you will see that these are the salesperson's name, and these are their sales numbers. You can go as per the quarter. So we only have data for the first quarter. You can see first quarter, and in quarter two also we have some part. And for the entire year, if you select 2024 fully, if you select, you will see all the data. Now, day wise, you can select. Notice the entire year is selected. So on these dates there are no sales, people are not done any sales. So on 11th of each month they are doing sales. So you will see that when I select 11th as the date, it gives me some data here. And similarly, if I go on and select till Feb, I will see that these many sales happen till Feb 11 of the next month. So this is how you can use a timeline or a date slicer to get the data easily based on the date intervals, so you don't have to do anything manually over here to get the data, or you don't have to add a filter, for example, and then select the dates manually from it, which would be a time consuming task. Here in, if you use a timeline, you have to just select the dates, or if you want to see month wise data, you can say you use the month as the timeline, quarters as a timeline, or the entire year. I hope this video would have helped you. If yes, then please do like my video. Also, do share it with someone who would need it or would be helpful for someone like your friend or family. And also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys. You all have a great day. See you in the next video.